In this video, you will learn how to close a credit note on Blixo in just a few easy steps. Please remember that you can only close an open credit note. You are not allowed to close a draft, paid, or closed credit note. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Credit Notes section. Next, go to the Open tab and click on the credit note ID of the credit note that you want to close. This will take you to the Credit Note Details page. Next, click the More button and choose Close Credit Note. Let's check it out. Success. The status has changed from open to closed. Congratulations! You've successfully closed a specific credit note in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.